3 mouth-watering diabetes-friendly recipes. Today, we're bringing you 3 mouth-watering diabetes-friendly recipes that prove you can enjoy fantastic flavors while keeping your blood sugar in check. Whether you have diabetes or are simply looking for healthier options, these dishes are for you. Let's get started. First up, we have a low-carb twist on a classic favorite, Zucchini Noodle Alfredo. Recipe 1. Zucchini Noodle Alfredo. Here's what you'll need. For medium-sized zucchinis, salt, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 cloves garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish optional. It is a fantastic alternative to traditional pasta, and it's easy to prepare. You won't believe how creamy and delicious this dish is. It is a fantastic alternative to traditional pasta, and it's easy to prepare. Alternative 2. Regular pasta. It is easy to prepare. Recipe 2. Grilled chicken and avocado salad. Next, we have a grilled chicken and avocado salad, a protein-packed dish that's bursting with flavor. You'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 6 cups mixed green spinach, arugula, romaine, 1 avocado, sliced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 clove garlic minced, salt and pepper. This salad is a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and greens. It's a great option for a satisfying and nutritious meal. To round off our meal, we have a low-carb berry parfait. It's a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. For this dessert, you'll need 1 cup Greek yogurt unsweetened, 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar-free sweetener optional. This is a guilt-free dessert that's rich in flavor and full of antioxidants. Conclusion. There you have it. 3 incredible diabetes-friendly recipes that prove you don't have to compromise on taste to eat healthily. These dishes are not only delicious, but also great for managing your blood sugar. Remember, a balanced diet is key to living your nutritious life to the fullest. Live your nutritious life to the fullest, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to live your nutritious life for more nutritious cooking ideas, health tips, and wellness inspiration. Thanks for watching.